Hi guys, this is Raf and welcome back, and today we'll be testing this Redmi Note 10 Pro for some benchmarks, and we will compare its performance to the Galaxy A70 and Mi 90 Pro. So let's go! So we tried it on Geekbench 5, 3D Mark, and GFX bench for the CPU and graphical test. It performed good and almost double most of the scores compared to the Galaxy A70, though it cannot beat still the 2-year-old flagship processor from Mi 90 Pro. On the cross-platform disk test, it performed great, even beat the Mi 90 Pro on some of the tests since the Redmi Note 10 is using the UFS 2.2 than the Mi 90 Pro UFS 2.1. And what I noticed is that after the test, the Redmi Note 10 Pro feels much cooler than the 2, with the Mi 90 Pro being the hottest. So even though the Redmi Note 10 Pro wasn't able to beat the Mi 90 Pro in benchmarks, it does have a respectable scores for a mid-range phone, and it runs cooler than any other devices. So that is my benchmark comparison video with this Redmi Note 10 Pro, and thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and always take care. Peace out.